Hop in, guys. Let's go. Where are we going?
Isn't it a little cramped back here?
Hey, Marshall, your foot is in my face.
Well, I can't help it.
Guys, it'll only be a minute. Off we go. Hey, lean back a little that way.
No, you lean back. Wait, stop the car.
What is it?
No way. It can't be. The magic microwave?
Magic microwave? Looks like a normal microwave to me.
If you put Play-Doh in it, the Play-Doh turns into a surprise toy.
I don't believe you. Hey, there's some Play-Doh back here. Here we go. Huh? What are the chances of that?
Who cares? Let's put some inside.
Alrighty.
Hurry, hurry.
Okay. Making an egg is hard with these paws. There we go. And press start. What? No way! It actually worked? You're a wizard, Marshall.
See? I told you.
Let's take it out.
Could we get some help, please?
Sure thing, guys. Looks like the magic microwave transformed your yellow Play-Doh egg into a minion surprise egg. Let's open it up. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff for one egg. Here are all the surprise toys you can collect. We get a Minion Bob sticker. Here's a packet of candy. Now let's check out our surprise toy. How cool! We got a Minion Kevin bouncy ball. Throw it over here. Throw it over here.
Let's put some more Play-Doh in there.
Let's go find some. I think I saw some more back there. Rubble on the double. Nice! Let's shape this into a blue Play-Doh egg. There we go. Let's put it in the microwave and turn it on. It melted! Maybe we put it in for too long. Some magic microwave.
Wait, I think there's something inside.
You're right, Marshall. This magic microwave actually turned your Play-Doh into slime.
See? Don't ever doubt the magic microwave.
Yeah. And you guys got Becky from Finding Dory. Ooroo! Ooroo! What's he doing? I don't know.
Maybe Becky's turning him into a crazy guy.
You guys, just go watch Finding Dory and you'll understand. Okay, sure.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna go look for some more stuff. Ruff. Be right back. Let's put this in. Is that a turkey? Where'd you find a turkey? Shh. Just don't ask, okay? Let's just put this in the microwave.
I'm pressing the button.
Whoa! It turned into a surprise toy! Yes, it did, Chase! Wow, Rubble, good find! I didn't know we could turn turkeys into surprise toys. That turkey transformed into a Monster High Minis. Let's see who we got. Hey, we got one of the original characters.
She looks kind of scary.
But nice at the same time. We should say hi.
Say something to her.
No, you.
No, you. Wait, where'd Rubble go?
I found gumballs. Wait, where are you finding all of these things? I don't see anything. Putting them in. So you're not gonna say anything? Well, I'll just start it. Wow, those gumballs transformed into a My Little Pony Microlight. Nice! You guys found Applejack. You guys want to see something cool?
Whoa, it lights up!
That'll definitely come in handy for us. Move out of the way. Grapes!
They're huge!
I'm not even gonna ask anymore. Let's just start it. Wow, you guys got another awesome surprise toy. This time it's a My Mini Mixies. Here are all the characters you can collect. Woo! There's a lot to assemble. So here's a girl wearing a music note shirt. Let's attach her black hair. And she's got some earphones on as well. Let's put on her suit. And this is the Mixie DJ. Let's dance!
Woohoo!
Oh, we got one more, guys. This girl's wearing a headband. Let's attach her blonde hair. And put her suit on. This is a glam hippie. Let's take a closer look at our mini Mixies. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.